Imagine an investment strategy that doesn't play it safe or chase the latest trend, but intelligently navigates the entire market landscape. Hi everyone and welcome to Central Shala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Buoyant Opportunity Portfolio PMS, a true multi-cap strategy that redefines how we think about investing. Most investors are told to pick a lane, either stick to large caps for stability or small caps for growth. But what if you could unlock opportunities across the entire market spectrum? Buoyant Capital Opportunity Scheme is a PMS that redefines how we think about investments. Forget traditional investment approaches. This is about understanding market cycles and turning them to your advantage. Now let's talk about Buoyant PMS philosophy. So Buoyant's capital strategy focuses on generating superior risk-adjusted returns across market cycles by combining top-down and bottom-up investment approaches. The portfolio is dynamically adjusted between core investments and satellite investments to balance growth and capital preservation. The team-based approach, rather than relying on a single manager, helps them to mitigate risk and ensures consistent decision-making. Now let's talk about the unique portfolio construction. So Buoyant uses a brilliant core and satellite approach. Under their aggressive and defensive investments, aggressive cycle stance consists of 30% core and 70% satellite. Under defensive cycle stance, 70% core and 30% satellite. Now let's understand the difference between core portfolio and satellite portfolio. Core portfolio focuses on stable companies with predictable cash flows. It emphasizes industry leaders, provides consistent and reliable returns, and lastly, acts as the portfolio's stable foundation. Under satellite portfolio, it targets dynamic opportunities which include cyclical sectors like metals and commercial vehicles, turnaround opportunities, value investments, and sectors with potential disruption. So considering the current market scenario, this fund holds 57% into core including cash and 44% in satellite with cyclicals 15%, turnaround 11% and value 17%. Now let's talk about the fund's performance. Since its inception, Buoyant Opportunity Scheme has delivered an IRR of 22%, consistently outperforming broader indices such as BSE 500. Even in volatile times, their balanced approach between aggressive and defensive investments has yielded superior long-term returns. Buoyant's capital performance isn't just about a single point-in-time return, but a consistent, robust performance across different rolling return periods. The fund has consistently delivered superior performance compared to the BSE 500 TRI, as evidenced by its rolling returns over 3, 5 and 7 years rolling. It has outperformed its benchmark, the BSE 500 TRI, in 78%, 95% and 100% of instances, respectively. Now let's talk about the fund manager. Buoyant Capital stand out for its unique no-star manager approach, operating with a seasoned team of investment professionals rather than relying on a single fund manager. The leadership team includes veterans like Jigar Mistry, Sachin Kivasara, Viral Berawala, Dipen Sheth and Natasha Lulla. They collectively bring over 120 years of experience across prestigious financial institutions. Their investment philosophy centers on employing a dynamic core satellite approach that has generated impressive returns with 22% CAGR since inception. For investors seeking a sophisticated, well-diversified, true multi-cap investment strategy, Buoyant Capital offers a compelling proposition. Their team-based approach, deep sector expertise, dynamic allocation strategy, and consistent performance makes them a standout choice in the portfolio management landscape. Well, this was all about Buoyant Opportunity Portfolio PMS. We hope you liked this video. Thank you.